What's going on, everybody? Captain Namco here, and today we're going to run my 2001 limited edition Kirby Generation 6. This vacuum has not been ran in a while and hasn't been ran yet this year, actually. So, let's go ahead and fire this thing up and see how well she does. And no test drive pedal. Don't really care. It runs. Get back. I don't really care, I don't have a reverse. I can pull back on it. I got plenty of power to do that. A little tight. I ain't running bad, just a little tight. Here we go. Watch your foot, guys, I'm coming through. It's up. There we go. Boy, is this thing tight. Woo. I'm going to have to get your guys vacuum out with the vacuum underneath there. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, comment down below. We'll see you next time. And before I go, I always want you to find good Jesus loves you. Have a wonderful day, everybody.